Today, I'd like to introduce the AiTEN intelligent software system, the core of smart logistics. Its self-developed controller with a unique chip provides strong computing power, ensuring vehicle stability and compatibility with various models, which is both flexible and cost-effective. The OCS enables robots' precise navigation and task execution. The ODS scheduling algorithm optimizes resources, achieving accurate cross-regional scheduling and higher efficiency. In the digital warehouse, the LMS optimizes space, the WCS coordinates equipment, and the SCP pre-validates logistics, all promoting smart factory building. For data management, the DAS analyzes data in real time for decision-making. The DTS predicts via 3D simulations, and the VMS stack monitors equipment and storage locations, covering all aspects of warehousing and distribution. AiTEN, with its reliability and intelligence, significantly boosts logistics efficiency.